this short tutorial, I quickly want to show you how to set up the VSC node repository so you can create contracts, interact with your network, and so on. And to get started, we first want to clone the VSC repository from GitHub. I'm going to do that via SSH. And after we've done that, we can go on to the next step and install the node modules. As this is going to take a while, I will speed up the video a little bit. Okay, and for the next step, we want to configure the VSC node by creating an environment file with our Hive credentials, so the node can authenticate us. And I'm doing that by opening the VSC node inside my favorite editor, which is VS Code. Here I'm going to take the content of the environment example file and copy it into a file named .env. I'm going to parameterize this with my Hive credentials. After I've done that, I will close VS Code for now. For the next step, we want to install MongoDB and IPFS. As we are not going to deviate from the standard configuration, I will speed through this process as well. Though, after the installation of IPFS, we still need to configure IPFS to also use pubsub. This is a requirement for the VSC node. And for that, we open up IPFS, go to the tray icon, click Settings, and enable pubsub here. After that, we want to restart IPFS by pressing right-click on the tray icon and clicking Restart. The final puzzle piece missing is that we start up the VSC node at least once for the necessary configuration to be built up. For that, we just open the VSC node repository and start it up with npm run dev. This should already be enough. We can now pause the node and the necessary configuration should be built up. Okay, nice. We now got everything we need to interact with the VSC network. To actively participate in the network, you can also take a look at the subsequent video to this series, which introduces you to the contract creation and invocation.